Hello, this is John with John Reviews. This is going to be part 2 of connecting your audio system together. So once you've gotten everything plugged in, next you get to turn everything on and make sure it works. So we'll hit power on our device. And we've discovered an issue. I forgot to turn on the amplifier. All right, let's try this again. Now you can actually see the little standby light for the Emotiva on. So let's see what happens now that everything's all plugged in. And there goes the trigger of the amplifier. As you can see, it's going through its boot mode. It passed the boot. Now, let's give it a little bit of volume because we just want to make sure everything's working. For the purpose of this sound demo, I do have my Revel M106s in here, which are actually supposed to be my rear surrounds. Since I don't have studio, or I should say pair of stereo dedicated speakers, we're going to borrow these for the time being just to make sure everything works. As you can see, music is playing without an issue. So if you get both channels playing just like I did successfully, you have hooked up everything correctly. Only difference is if you do have a dedicated home theater, you're probably going to have more than just 2 speakers playing, so you'll definitely want to make sure all of them work. And on that note, that ends this how-to series of hooking up your stereo or home theater system. Till next time, have a great day. Like and subscribe. Bye.